Hello everyone, welcome to RushBee Tutorials, and in this episode we would be talking about the quick action bar. We have bunch of options into this, and we will be discussing about each one of them separately and in brief. Okay, so one of the interesting things that we already have is monitor resources. Okay, so let's just say you have an active session going on and you have monitor resources on. You can click on it and can fetch a real-time data like CPU, GPU, RAM, disk. You can refresh it. Sometimes it is slower to fetch over the network, and sometimes it quickly gets fetched. And you can see this is the live data that is being updated from your PC. Uh, right, so we can see the RAM usages, we can see the disk, how much it has already captured, and you can also check on the GPU performance, CPU performance, etc. You can also check on top 5 apps that are being used, that is coming out of the task manager. We'll be later on giving more options to end the applications, etc, etc, and to also have more control on the temperatures. Alright, so this is one of the options that we have called as monitor resources. Then going forward, this is end session that you have already seen. You can end the session and you can check that out. Then we have something called as transfer session. So for transfer session, right, we need to have one idle PC and one active PC. So let's just say P9 is stuck due to some unforeseen incident, and you need to transfer that session, uninterrupted to this particular PC. So ensure that the other PC is on and RushBee is live in that. So hold your shift button, press on A4 and press transfer button. So are you sure you want to transfer the session from like seat P9 to A4? Yes, definitely transfer the session. So you can see the session is gone, and out of P9, P9 is logged out, and automatically A4 will be logged in, and you can definitely check that out as well. Alright, then we have session logs. So on this particular PC, how many sessions have been running, how many it has ran till now. You can find all the session history logs here. This is a brief history, but you can figure out the actual detailed history from session management page as well. Alright, going forward, then we have ticket icon, which we have already talked about. The top up already done, you can top them up. Monitor resources is done. Now coming to the log PC behavior. Okay, so let me just end the session because we have P9 on this PC. Let me just log into one of the guys here. Alright, so if you see, right, the P9, the taskbar is active. I don't want that. I want to lock this PC. So you press on lock PC and you enter the admin key that has been assigned to you, or you can change it, and then you press on lock PC, and that's it. Nothing works. The task manager is not up. You can see this. My mouse is at the bottom, nothing is coming up, and the PC is completely locked. Alright, so this is for security purpose. You can always unlock it back by pressing the same admin key, and in a while, if you see, we have the taskbar back. Alright, then these are your PC controls. One is simple, this shuts the PC down. So if you have a running session, you need to kill that session first and then shut it down. So if I press this button right now, the recording will stop, and definitely I don't want that, but this definitely works, and you can shut it down. And after a while, this blue color, dark blue, turns to gray. Same thing with the restarts. Okay, so you can restart it immediately as well. And there are options to change the timer and everything. Okay, then we have something called as wake on LAN. So if you have a PC that is shut down, you can definitely wake it up, but for that you need to have the wake on LAN agent online. I'll be talking that in another video specifically on how to set up wake on LAN into your PC, because there is another software that you need to install for your PCs to wake up, and you need to ensure everything is connected on the same network and through LAN. Alright, then the last button is for the Z reports. So you can toggle these Z reports and you can see all the transactions that have happened in the entire day. Alright, so this is all you have in quick actions. in RushBee Control. So thank you, and I will definitely talk more about other features in next week.